So this is just a recap for live stream 201. And as we can see today, we've had a positive day. The P&L doesn't completely tell the whole story of the day. Today we had some difficulties. Went into a bit of a drawdown and managed to dig ourselves back out by sticking to the strategy. Was a bit aggressive in places, and we were able to build back our account and get positive on all three major instruments, the ESNQ and gold. So let's talk about the trades we took. Took a short trade here on an Q as per the system. Closed early after seeing this very large candle. Correct decision, would have been stopped out. So lost about 8 there. Went long through here. Had some difficulties, added to the position. Prices came down. I was not a fan. Very frustrated through this period here. Eventually, I did get another setup to go long, and I decided to take it and took it. Managed to get out. So across the P&L of the loss here, adding to the position twice over here and hitting target. Managed to get back positive 29.62. Over on ES, I took a early exit. I thought price would continue to sell off, so went long, added to the position. Price came down, saw this large candle here, came through that VWAP and that 200 period. Thought prices was going to roll again and head down towards my stop, so exited the position early. Stop wasn't hit. Stop was down around 79. Prices came close, but didn't quite get there. Closed early. Thought I was doing a good thing. Almost immediately the market turned around to the upside. Got another re-entry, went long, added to the position, and as price came towards the target up at 93, price got to 93, the order wasn't filled, so decided to exit early. Left about 3 ticks on the table across the 2 entries. Price would have eventually have hit target if it had stayed more patient. So took an unnecessary loss down here. That resulted in me being down nearly 10 across ES, and managed to get our profits back over here. Not quite the full thing as I closed early, but managed to end the day positive on ES. Over on gold, let's just have a look what trades I took on gold. Okay, so took this trade here on gold. Again, this is another trade I exited early on. So went long as prices were pulling back. Price came down, seemed to be stalling. Typically, what you'd see before it turns around. I didn't like the fact that what the positions were like over on ES and NQ. So kind of thought, well, I don't want to be losing 3 positions. So decided to exit early. Exited, decided to place the order there to be refilled. Didn't refill, prices turned around. Eventually got a setup over here. Went long, added to the position. Eventually that target was hit there at 55.6. As we can see, that 55.6 happens to be the high before we've just had this fairly decent pullback here on gold. So a very good exit. So we've had 66 ticks of pullback, $6.6. So it was a really good exit there. Very fortunate. I think the long over here, the target would have been higher, so that would not have been filled. So it would have been probably stopped out. So the early exit here, re-entry here actually worked itself out. Because of how this was going, I didn't add to the position. So the loss was relatively small, hence the reason why this trade was able to cover the losses. Didn't add to that position there, added to this one, covered the losses. Fortunate exit, as we can see here. I'll have a look at the trade performance. Over on the old trade performance, you can see the equity curve drew down. We're down 21 at the lowest point. Stuck to the plan. Was a bit aggressive, especially with the NQ position where I went in 2 additional ads, and I managed to get the P&L back to positive So from down 21 to plus 25. Have a look here at the summary page. You can see gross gains, gross losses, commissions, +2 on the profit factor. Accuracy, fairly accurate. Average win to average loss, nearly 1-to-1. Largest win bigger than largest loss. And time spent in the market, about 20 minutes on these trades. So it wasn't too bad a day. In the background, I've been paying a lot of attention to the strategy, even though I've been sick and I've not been trading it. And I'm seeing a lot of positive signs. Of course, there are some concerns here and there, especially as the market becomes choppy mid to late morning. But it does show quite a bit of promise. So I'm definitely sticking with it into 2025. I'll continue to trade it, and I'm not going to use my health concerns as a reason not to trade, because I used it for the past week and there were plenty of opportunities. I suppose I could have traded. Just all I had to do was pretty much mute the mic and have a silent stream. So I'm going to try to be more consistent here going forward, especially into 2025. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.